Multipurpose 150 watt car power inverter with 2 USB ports and 1 AC socket which can charge 2 iPhones and a laptop at the same time. It can also be used for LED lights, breast pump, car vacuum cleaner, car refrigerator, CPAP, etc. Small and light, just about the mouse size, 3.2 by 2.5 by 1.5 inches, it does not take up space and easy to place. Only 8 ounces, very lightweight. Suitable for camping, outdoor office, road trip, etc. Advanced safe charging design. The built-in intelligent chip and fuse can prevent overheating, undervoltage, overvoltage, overload and short circuit. When the fault is detected by the product itself, it will automatically shut down the current output and turn on the red light. Durable metal shell provides advanced protection to prevent collision and fire. Cooling fan with low noise can dissipate heat and prevent the equipment from overheating. Purchase PiSFAU 150 watt power inverter, can enjoy 18 months warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect on my pontoon. Great value for a great price. I use this on my pontoon to plug in a crock pot, or charge cell phones. It's awesome, and small enough that I can just store it on the boat all season.